Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to manage the video quality on Netflix. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to manage the video quality on Netflix. Maybe you want to change the video quality because you don't have excessive access to the internet, you have a limited data, so you want to save the internet, but you also want to enjoy the movies or series, so you want to lower the video quality. Or maybe you want to experience the best video quality, therefore you want to make it higher. Or it could be any other reason for you to manage or change the video quality on Netflix. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first thing that you have to make sure is that you have already installed a Netflix from Google Play Store or App Store, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it. And once it get installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with that account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Netflix to open the app. Once you open the app, first you will see its title and then you will see this interface. Here it is telling you to choose any one of these profiles to continue. Your app might have more profiles or may have less profile based on how many profiles you have created on your account. You just have to simply select any one of these based on whichever you use the most or whichever you prefer. So here I am choosing this one, therefore I am going to tap onto it, and once I tap onto it, it will just take a while and then you will see this interface. Here you can see we have a lot of content like movies, series and different stuff on our screen. Other than that, we have multiple options at bottom and at the top. So from all these options, you just have to simply click on your profile icon, which is on the top right of the screen. Once you tap on it, you will get here. At the top, you will see all the profiles which are created into this account, and then you will see different options. So from all these options, you have to select this option, which is app settings. It also has a settings icon with it. So just simply tap onto this option and then we will land into this page where you will see the title of app settings and you will see bunch of options on your screen. So from all these options, you just have to simply go for this option which says video quality. If you want to change the video quality, therefore you have to tap on it and then you will find two options. So here we have two options, standard and higher. Standard is an option in which you can save internet in which the video quality will be compromised, but your internet or you could say your data will be saved. So if you want to go with that, you can keep it. Otherwise, if you tap on higher, your video quality will be the best, but it will also take a lot of internet. It will also might take time to load content. So it's all up to you. Whatever you want to do in between two of these options, you can choose it and the video quality will work according to it. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can manage the video quality on Netflix. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.